So we are here on the Icefields Parkway, and we decided to make another intro for the video for the four nomads. So I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we
are
The
four nomads.
So this is part two of the video. We have part one where we travel from our homes up into Canada. So part two is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you on the road. Athabasca.
Wonder if that's the glacier. That doesn't look very glaciery.
That one over there does, on the left, and there's one back there, and I'm assuming that's one here.
Arriving at Columbia Icefield Glacier Adventure on the right.
You okay to drive?
Yeah.
Guzzle your Coke.
What's up?
No. You need to guzzle it, get all that caffeine.
I'm good.
You should have got a coffee. Although sometimes I think warm drinks, even if it does have caffeine, make you sleepy.
Yeah.
Just because the warm.
I'm fine. Happy to be on the road. Yeah. Man, that's impressive, isn't it?
We might need our parks pass again. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
7 miles. We're going to turn left.
Okay.
It's a little unsettling when you don't really know where you're going and you're not really sure that it's taking you to where you're supposed to be going.
Yeah. Welcome to Jasper. They got a Lions Club here.
There's a sign.
Whistlers.
It's going to be us.
They have a trolley car here apparently. Gondola.
Oh, yeah.
Skytram. 4 kilometers ahead. Whistlers, Jasper National Park. Large vehicles. We got to go to the left.
I'm going to turn her off. How about that?
Yeah.
Turn.
Oh, that'd be fine. So this looked like a couple of elk. females, and they are calving, and we're told that you have to stay away from them. Look at these guys. Massive. Minding their own business. We're sitting here, and it's about 7 o'clock.
No, honey, it's 9:20.
It's 9:20, and it's still daylight.
Oh, look.
And we have.
Now there's a dark neck. Hello, that's
There's
not
a
a
dark
boy.
neck.
That is not a boy.
And we're
That is
watching
a
these
woman.
elk.
And we're having a conversation.
I think the dark neck is a male.
That's not a male.
Leanne says it's not.
No.
And well, what about these mountains over here in the back?
Yeah,
Let's
change the
forget about that.
conversation.
Now we're sitting here just enjoying the night, and what a wonderful place to be. We're here at Jasper. What's the name of this park?
Whistlers.
Whistlers, and it's a Parks Canada campground, and we paid about $35 a night Canadian, and just enjoying the life.
So we have these 3 girls, and there's 2 more coming up. We've had like 4 or 5 already go by.
That's the story, and Leanne's sticking to it. We're going to the dump station this morning. We've been boondocking for 3 days, and well, it's been a little tough. We had some problems with the battery. We couldn't run the generator, but for 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, and so that created some problems with our power. But we're going to Grand Prairie, the Rotary Club campground in Grand Prairie, and we are going to stay there for 2 nights. And the idea is to run up to Dawson Creek without the RVs and do what we want to do, go to the visitor center, maybe go to Walmart or whatever we need to do up there, and just in a pickup truck. And then we don't have to take the RVs in and be around the crowd. So the idea is to then head up to maybe Fort Nelson to stop after we leave Grand Prairie. We haven't decided just yet, but that's kind of the idea. So like I said, I'm going to the dump station, and you can see a little bit of the campground. Dawn said she saw another bear this morning taking the trash down to the dumpster, and they saw one a couple of days ago. And it was actually a brown bear, so I don't know if this one was black or brown. I'm assuming it was black, and there was one outside their window a couple of days ago, and from their RV they saw it, and it was a black bear. Haven't seen the pictures of it, but that's what I understand. So. Yes, while I'm dumping these tanks, I'm going to hook up the truck. Start over again. We have dumped our
Turn
tanks.
left
We
on
got
Highway 93.
So we're going to start again. We got the tanks dumped. I have 75 gallons of fresh water, and we're headed to Grand Prairie.
So I'm my way.
Good?
Yep.
In 1.1 miles, turn right onto Trans-Canada Highway 16.
Continue on Highway 16.
You're out there.
No, elk.
Elk.
Yeah, he's got a big
That's
rap.
the move. It's the first one I've seen.
Uh-huh.
With the big
The
rap.
rap.
Yeah. Maybe we'll get the footage. Another one over here on the left side.
Yeah.
It's a female, I guess.
Big born sheep.
Yeah.
There is no shortage of water and mountains, is it?
No. East Jasper Park Gate is 14 miles.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. That's an elk with a male.
Yeah, look at him.
He had some big antlers on him.
This must be the east gate.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like we have to do anything.
No. Yep. I think that was East Glacier. We're coming out of the mountains now.
They just put it on their street and everything down there. Look at that. It's got black coal everywhere.
Yeah.
It must be cheap and plentiful.
It is. It's the Alberta's biggest
Claim to fame.
biggest industry.
And all kinds of stuff.
Building the city out here, looks like. They're gonna pull over right there. We had to stop and let Glenn go and look at his camper. We think there was a ceiling fan cover flapping in the wind. Looks all new. Now, this is a massive development they got going on here.
No, I bet it's like Spaghetti Junction type thing.
Yeah.
A lot of traffic lights. Okay, so see, we're gonna have to come back down here. See the 43 West off to the left,
Yeah.
Alaska.
Yeah.
So we'll have to come down and pick that back up.
Okay.
Continue onto Waterway Street. 7th Avenue. Then turn left.
Can you make that? Yeah, Rotary Campground. How about that?
How about it?